It's absolutely beautiful outside. This is why I love California, for the weather. It's just amazing. This is summer in Czech Republic and it's March. So Jesse's car is in the car wash and now I have an hour to hang out at this mall, which is perfect because I need some new exercise bra. And also I have to go to MAC because I need some new makeup. So I just went to MAC and I got this NC35 Select Sheer Pressed Powder, which doesn't give you any coverage, so if you want something that's really light during the day, this one is really nice. So now I'm gonna go to Victoria's Secret and I'm gonna look for exercise bras. So I'm at Victoria's Secret store and I'm gonna try on some nice things. Some exercise bras and some shorts, and here more stuff. Yeah. So these shorts are very comfortable, and this top, this sweater, whatever it is, it's so soft and so comfortable, but I think it's too expensive. I don't want to spend 50 bucks on something that I'm gonna be wearing at home, you know. But I like trying it on. So this exercise bra is the winner. I like this exercise bra a lot. And these are another shorts, which I'm not gonna get. But I like the exercise bra. Now I'm gonna try the other shorts. So this is another bra, which I like. I think it's awesome. It's really comfortable. And the shorts I'm not sure about. I like them from behind, but I'm not sure the front. Maybe you guys can tell me. Let me know if you like these shorts. I might come back for them. So I just got from the mall and I'm super hungry, so I made myself salad, and as I said before, I'm eating the same things. So this is my salad. My lunch is the same every single day. It's just a lot of greens and red pepper, apple, quinoa, some mushrooms, and some pine nuts in it. I almost forgot that I got the hemp seeds yesterday. So I put the hemp seeds into my salad so that I have some source of protein in my salad as well. And I'm adding my hemp seeds a little bit. That's my source of protein, just plant-based protein. Nice. Smallsy, hi. Did you blow up your bed? Yes, you did. We have to clean it up. So this is what you have to do when you deal with paralyzed dog like Smallsy. Wait. Because he poops and pees in his bed, so we have to clean it. So we are actually changing towels a few times a day in his bed, and our washing machine is constantly working on his towels. Yes. No, but he's a good boy. Okay, so let's clean the poop, Smalls. Let's clean it. See? Toilet paper, and that's it. It's so easy. Now we're just gonna change the towel and we're done. Yay! See, this is a bunch of Smallsy's towels that we throw on the balcony. That was 2 days worth of towels. So today we have to do laundry. Look at him, he's sleeping. You're adorable, Smallsy. You're adorable. Yes, you are. So I'm finally ready to do my workout. Today I'm doing workout number 3 because it's day 20 in my calendar, week number 3, day 20, Friday. And tomorrow we're doing workout number 4. So we're doing 3 workouts in a row of the ZCAT Power Cardio. And so I'm ready, my computer with the DVD in it. And I do my workouts in this little space. You really don't need a lot of space for these workouts, you know. So just remember, it's super easy to keep yourself in shape. You don't need much space, you don't need extra equipment, you know. You don't need even a lot of time. These workouts are so short, and you know, it's the only thing that you can really control, how you take care of your body. So I'm gonna do my workout and I will see you guys tomorrow. Ciao. Hi, I'm Zuzka and I have taken my most effective moves and created DVD cardio series that comes with 3 DVDs and 30-day fold-out calendar that will guide you day by day to get you into the best shape ever.